So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can avail the Google Geo's Google Gemini free offer. Now in order to do it, you simply need to get the MyJio app from the App Store. You can easily get the MyJio app right there. You simply need to sign in with your Geo sim over there. Now once you open the MyJio, it will open something like this. Now here on the top option only you'll find this option of pro plan of Gemini free, or you can find it on the notification settings as well right there. Just simply click on register interest. Now it will redirect you to the page where you can easily get that. Now another thing that you can do, make sure you have entered the correct Gmail ID. You can check it just by clicking on the top right corner, and here you'll see this option of mobile settings. Click over there, click on this option of personal information, and here you'll see this option of email, and make sure that the email is correct and the email is the email of which you want to avail this offer. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.